To make Venmo transactions private, follow these steps. First, open the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access the menu. Then, select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings section, scroll down to the Privacy section and tap on it. Here, you will see the default privacy setting for your transactions. Tap on this option to change it. You will see three options: Public, Friends, and Private. Select Private to make all your future transactions private. If you want to change the privacy setting for a specific transaction, go to the transaction in your feed, tap the three dots next to it, and select Change Privacy. Again, choose Private to make the transaction private. Additionally, to limit who can see your transactions in the social feed, go back to the Privacy section in Settings and select Who can see my transactions. Choose either Friends or Private to restrict the visibility of your transactions. It is essential to note that even if you make your transactions private, the recipient will still be able to see the transaction details. Also, Venmo may still share some information with third-party services, such as payment processors. To further protect your transactions, consider using a private Venmo account and being cautious when connecting your Venmo account to other social media platforms or services. By following these steps and best practices, you can help keep your Venmo transactions private and secure. Remember to regularly review your account settings to ensure your transactions remain private.